Hey photographers! If you're watching this video, you'll probably facing a familiar challenge. You need a stunning portfolio website that showcases your work beautifully, helps you book clients, and doesn't require a computer science degree to set it up. Today I'm going to show you a photographer-specific Squarespace template that solves all of these problems. You'll see how easy it is to transform the template into a professional photography website that not only looks amazing, but actually helps you grow your business. Before we dive in, let's talk about what photographers really need from their website. First, you need gorgeous galleries that display your images without awkward cropping and slow loading times. Second, you'll need a site that easily to customize with your branding but still looks professional and polished. And third, you will need a built-in SEO tools so clients can actually find you when they search for photographers in your area. And finally, you'll need a business features for marketing, contact forms, and scheduling. The problem I see most photographers end up with is either spending thousands on custom websites, struggling with the complex platforms like WordPress, or settling for a template that looks like everyone else. That's precisely why I've developed a collection of templates tailored for photographers. Let's take a look at what makes this template special. As you can see, the Lily template is designed specifically for photographers with stunning full-width image galleries that immediately showcases your best work. A beautiful tagline section which you can customize to fit your location. A clean and minimal design with plenty of white space that puts your work up front. Elegant portfolio grid layout that could be adjusted to showcase portrait or landscape images. Lots of galleries to display your work throughout the pages on entire website. This template offers 2 different homepage layouts for you to choose from. Plus, you can easily copy any section from one page and paste it into a different section on another page. This makes customizing your site even more flexible. And the best part, you can customize everything. Let me show you how easy it is. First, let's change the logo. Simply click on navigation bar, upload your logo, and type your name. And you're done. Next, let's update the hero image. This is your chance to really wow the visitors. Upload photos that shows off your best work. It's the first thing that people see, so pick something that stands out and shows what you can do. Simply click edit, select your best shots, and upload it. You can also add your meta description to make sure that search engines take a note of your work. What I love about this template is the galleries layout options. Let me show you the different ways you can display your work. First, we have this elegant grid layout. It's perfect for showing a variety of shots while maintaining visual harmony. Then we have a full-width strips gallery that creates a dramatic scrolling effect, ideal for wedding or event photography. And my personal favorite, this asymmetrical portfolio section with hover effects. Let's customize one of these galleries now. Click edit, select the gallery, and you can easily upload your own images. Notice how the template maintains the consistent spacing regardless of whether you're uploading portrait or landscape images. And you can also adjust the spacing with just one click. Now for the branding. Click on the style editor and you can quickly change your color palette. Let's try to moody a more dramatic look. See how the entire site updates instantly. You can also adjust fonts to match your brand personality. Squarespace offers over 1,000 different fonts that you can select from. If you can find the one that suits your needs, you can also upload a custom font. Need to add a client testimonial? Simply edit this section, add your client quote and name, and you're all set. The About section is an important part of your website because it lets potential clients get to know the person behind the camera. This template includes a beautifully designed About section with spaces for your photos, story, and credentials. Just highlight the text, which is like any word editor, and upload your headshot. What really makes this template great that it's built on a strong business foundation that Squarespace offers to photographers. contact forms styled to match your website. Clients can reach out to you with just a few clicks. You can also use an curated scheduling to book instant meetings with your clients. The blog section is ready to go, ideal for sharing recent sessions, which is fantastic for SEO and keeping your site fresh. The services pages lets you showcase your packages and pricing. You also have an individual service page where you can describe a particular service in more details. A logo gallery allows you to display the brands you've collaborated with, providing powerful social proof. And if you want to sell prints or digital downloads, e-commerce functionality is ready to go. Just add your products, set your prices, and start selling. All Squarespace websites also have the benefit of built-in SEO features. Each page allows you to easily add meta titles and descriptions. Adding alt text to the images is very straightforward and easy. Just click on any images and type in your description. The blog page lets you easily add categories and make your content even more organized. Squarespace has an awesome Instagram feed integration that could be added to the footer, so your latest social media content automatically shows up on your website. Here you have it, a professional photography website that showcases your work beautifully, helps you find clients, and grows with your business, all without the headache of building from scratch. This photographer template and other templates are available if you're interested. Feel free to click the link in the description to learn more. I'm excited to see the amazing websites you'll create.